Welcome to Quick Tips with MIE Solutions. I'm Ray Anderson, and today we're going to talk about the last rule of implementation. Prioritize your data conversion and follow through. Choose your priorities. Did you know that most companies do 80% of their business with 20% of their customers? If you plan on converting your data a little at a time, start with the 20% that will yield 80% of your business. Set a firm go-live date. People need deadlines to hold them accountable. If you extend the date because people are not ready yet, they'll continue to procrastinate. When you set a firm go-live date and stick to it, your employees will have to prioritize learning the system and face the consequences of not being prepared. Keep the momentum going. Avoid stops and starts in the implementation process at all costs. Once people get excited about using the system, it is better to keep the momentum going, even if you can only implement a little at a time. As you research, select, and implement your ERP system, do not forget why you began the search in the first place. Each company has their own specific reasons for needing an ERP system. What is yours? As growing pains and struggles arise, remind yourself and your team why the pains are necessary and work together to push through them. The bottom line is that although your new system will require a lot of time and effort, it will be worth it and will position your company for sustained growth and profitability. We hope these tips help you have a smoother implementation.